just going to do something that I don't normally do. It's a review on tyres. We went to Scotland. We only just got back from Scotland a few days ago, and when we were up there it snowed an awful lot, and so we the tyres that we've got on is the new, or the Michelin all-round tyres, I think. I can't remember what they're called now. I'll have to double check that. But these are yeah, the CrossClimate 2s, I believe, on our Autotrail Dakota. Now, when we were up in Scotland, we had some flipping deep snow, and I was a bit wary of some of the snow bits that we did. We went over Glen Shee and well, all over the place actually, but going over Glen Shee it was pretty much icy going up and pretty much snow over the top. I'll put some videos of that on as driving over, and it never missed a beat. It never slipped or slided or did anything. The campsite that we were on in Fort William, there was a rise going out of the campsite, and most of the vans where we were, and we were at the bottom of that slope, really struggled getting up and out. And the next day when we left in the morning, the snow was really thick. It snowed overnight, and basically we just reversed the van out and up and over the top. It never slipped or slid or anything. Really seriously impressed. These CrossClimate, whatever they are, 2s or 3s or whatever, absolutely brilliant. So if you're thinking about putting some new tyres on your motorhome, oh, most important thing, they're not that noisy. I was expecting them, because they're quite a big, strong, thick tread, them to be quite noisy, you know, road noise. And to be fair, no, very happy, really happy. Good in the dry, good in the wet. They don't half kick up a lot of spray. We had a motorbike on the back of the van. I'll show you it. Absolutely got covered, as you can see. I've not. This was a lovely clean bike before we took it to Scotland, but
oh yeah, this is the worst side. Isn't it? Yeah, these roads are getting a bit dicey. Yeah, okay, Dave. Yep. Just gonna have to go a bit steady. But yeah, that was the Glen Shee.
see the
ski
snow
centre.
blowing off the hills, look.
You can, yeah. Yeah, it's a lot worse this side than it was the other side.
Well, it is a bit